Hi guys, welcome back. Today I want to take a look at some plan view settings and how to zoom in, zoom out, and basic commands, how to work with the plan view, 3D view, and all the other views. When you open a Trimble Business Center and start a new project, this is what you get, one plan view. Now, if you require to do, let's say, a transformation or shifting stuff, right, it's nice to have two plan views. And you can achieve that by going to the home tab and clicking on another plan view. As you can see, now I have two. That's nice. They are on top of each other, which is kind of useless, right? So that's where you kind of utilize the big monitor space. You can right click the tab and you can split them into the horizontal. So this is plan view number 2, this is plan view number 1. Or you can move them back, or you can split them into two vertical planes, which I personally like. Now, nice thing about it is obviously you can draw in between them. Okay, so if you click, as you can see, you can draw from one to another one, from one to another one, which comes in handy when you're doing the transformations. So this would be a plan view. Same idea is when you want to zoom in, you basically scrolling mouse wheel back and forward. You moving around with pressing and holding right click, that's your pan, and your left click is for selecting. Right to left everything, left to right only what's inside completely. If it's not inside, you're not selecting that. Let's look at another one. So you have obviously here zoom in, zoom out, zoom extends, which is double click of your mouse wheel. Then you have a zoom select area, so you can do that. It's also done if you press Ctrl Alt together and select the square. It's the same idea as zoom select an area in the graphics. As we said, zoom precise is same idea. We have a center position, so you can select your center. This is the pan precise, your flag pane, which we already seen. The next one, you have the 3D view, so you can have a 3D view. Same idea, when you press and hold mouse wheel, you can rotate your 3D view. You can scroll in and out. The right click is a pan view and the left click is the selection. So nice thing about this is you can select and you can edit your entities, your line work, your points in the 3D view. So let's say I want to break this line, I can go and I want to break it there, and it's broken at that point. The same thing, you can move your 3D view, so you can work on your plan view and you can see what it's going to do in 3D view. Where I utilize this when I'm doing a takeoff and let's say I'm elevating entities, contours, buildings, curves and everything. So I'm elevating them and I can see how they are jumping up from let's say 0 to certain elevation. Also, what you can do is you can right click anywhere in the 3D view or plan view, and you can do float view, which would open that view in a separate window. So you can, if you have two monitors, you can have two monitors which are utilizing the full width of the monitor. To get rid of that is again right click and it's unfloat view. So if you have some sheet views predetermined, right, you can right click those in your project explorer and open your sheet view, where you can then switch between your sheet views. For example, this is 11 by 17 landscape, this is 11 by 17 portrait. So this would be just a quick and easy talk about the views. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, ask questions, and we'll see you next time.